Range Rover Evoque on one side, old version Range Rover on the other. Let's see which vehicle will finish the obstacles first on the dirt ground. The white Range Rover started ahead due to its high suspension and came to a good place in the race. The Range Rover Evoque started the race a little slower, but I believe it will close the gap once it regains its strength. The old Land Rover has reached the first jump hill. A perfect jump. The front suspension prevented the vehicle from sticking to the ground, and the vehicle continues on its way. The Range Rover Evoque continues its progress by entering slowly into places where there is less noise and by doing less damage to its suspension. Our white vehicle, which was damaged on its rear hood by the obstacle, continues on its way at full speed. A perfect jump. However, the front bumper is badly damaged, and this prevents the vehicle from accelerating. The vehicles are now approaching the last obstacle. From here on, there will be a vehicle barrier in front of them. The Range Rover Evoque suffered major damage before the final hurdle, but it still looks set to close the gap. The white Range Rover overcame the obstacle with the car. But what a vehicle it spun! The yellow vehicle closed the gap. But the yellow vehicle is not accelerating due to the impact it receives from the engine compartment. And the white Range Rover managed to win the race with its acceleration on the final straight. You will watch the magnificent duel between two Gavril vehicles competing on a difficult track such as a bump, a water hole, and a car obstacle. Let's see which vehicle will finish the fight first.